All right, boys and girls, so now we're getting into division. We're on to lesson 6-1, division as sharing. Because when we divide, we're basically sharing. And we're sharing in an equal way. So we're still involving equal groups like with multiplication. We're repeating the same number, but this time with division, instead of adding, we're basically subtracting, repeated subtraction. And it has to be the same number being repeated. So when we share, we want to make sure that each group has the same amount. Let's take a look at this first problem about Ruth. Ruth picked 8 apples. She placed 4 apples in each bag. How many bags did Ruth have? So we have our question here that needs to be underlined, and we're solving for the number of bags. And the bags in this problem are the groups. So we have groups here, a bag, our total, and the number being repeated. 8 is our total. Again, division word problems will tell you the total. We're not solving for the total when we divide. We're solving for the number of groups or the number in each group when we divide. So it's different from multiplication. She placed 4 apples in each bag. The number that we are repeating is 4. 4 in each bag. So how many times can we subtract 4 apples? 4 apples in each bag before we run out of apples. So we have 4 here. I can go ahead and draw out my groups again. Okay, and this strip diagram tells me my total. Total is 8 apples. We already have 4 used. We need to use 8, so I can put another 4 here, repeat the same number, and I've used my total. How many bags? 1, 2. 2 bags. So my division sentence is 8 apples divided by 4 apples in each bag equals 2 bags, 2 groups. So my quotient is 2. My dividend is 8. And my divisor is 4. Let's take a look at another problem here, division problem. And remember, division problems state, they tell the total in the word problem. We're not solving for that. We solve for the total when we add or multiply. Shirley bought 30 markers that came in packages of 5 markers each. How many packages did Shirley buy? We are solving for how many packages. So we're solving for the number of groups. 30 is our total. 5 markers each. Packages of 5. That's not talking about 5 packages. That's talking about a package with 5 inside of it. We have a total of 30. We want to know how many packages. This is just one group of 5. We need to keep going and keep creating groups until we reach our total, which is 30. So we have one group of 5, another group of 5, that's a total of 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30. So a total of 30 bags. 30 divided by 5 equals a total of 6 bags. So 6 is the answer. 6 is my quotient.